much after do it.
Now you're gonna give yourself
This
a
is the one time we don't mind you ripping
tear
something.
paper. Look, tear paper.
Oh, go ahead. Go ahead.
Extra.
No, that's all right. I don't have my camera here.
Mommy will help.
Oh, what's in there? Oh, what's the matter?
Twinkle, twinkle. You getting like a garbage man. What's this? What's in here?
First thing we're opening.
Oh, you gotta put it on.
Yeah. That's so cute. A 1-year-old bib.
Yes, we like tissue paper.
Okay, why don't we just put this on? Want to take that, Grandma?
Oh, okay.
Open up the next present. There you go.
That green thing, push that down.
Here's okay.
What's this?
She does this on the computer, my neighbor.
Oh, it's really nice. Let's see that.
He's eating something, watch it. He's eating the paper.
Yeah.
Oh, is that yummy?
She does this.
Mine. Oh.
Quite a craft.
Let's open this.
What's the matter?
This is from Aunt Lori. And your cousins, and Uncle Mike. Peekaboo!
You know what, we need a bag to put on this.
Peekaboo!
Yeah.
What we have in here.
He likes that wrapping paper.
No eating
Somewhere.
coffee.
Chelsea, I don't really know where. William of Orsi 10-button book.
That's
Excuse me.
Back there, stand beside me.
I don't really know what it is, but I'll find out.
I have to find it.
Oh, yes. Oh, it is from there.
Oh, that's
Oh,
nice.
great, thank you.
Well, I'm sure we'll have a lot of fun with this. Okay.
You want to give him a hug?
Next.
No, I want to throw him.
10-button book?
Are we putting the gifts over here somewhere? Are you going to go over here? Or?
Give them
Here,
a
here,
hug.
I'll pile them up over here.
Are you getting sleepy?
Oh, you getting tired out?
Okay.
Don't let that
Take that off for
smell.
now.
Okay.
That's just for picture purposes.
Yeah, we can take that off. That probably feels uncomfortable in his chin anyway.
I'm afraid he'll snap it against
I
it.
know,
That'll
and then
be
he'll
a
start
real
crying.
story.
Here. Woo.
It's pretty.
This is from your cousins too.
She told me about that.
Oh, how cute.
Oh, look at that.
Christmas kitties.
Yeah.
Cute. That'll keep you nice and toasty. You'll be saying this in your sleep.
What do I have memorized? I don't know.
Right, this looks like Aunt Karen. This has to be Aunt Karen. I can tell. By the Martha Stewart wrapping.
Well, at least Karen's not going crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're one. You don't want to
You want to be
destroy
careful,
that.
please.
I don't know what it is. Dear Christopher, somebody went from teensy small to 1-year-old in no time at all. Somebody cuddly and sweet, said Pooh. And do you know what? That somebody is you. Aunt Karen, Uncle Mark, and Michelle. I love you.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Nice.
Can I see?
Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's great.
Put all the stages in there.
That is
That's
great.
nice.
Well, I have one that,
Oh, he likes it.
every year at school,
Yeah.
but this is like the first 6 years.
What's the matter?
That's
That's really
really
nice.
nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Uncle Mark.
That's adorable.
Yeah.
You can
That's
put
great.
his picture in here, all the stages.
Oh, that's nice, that's very nice.
Beautiful.
But that doesn't look like him.
It looks like a girl with a boy.
Is that Elmo? Wait, maybe we should open this Elmo first. Can we have that one?
Okay, these cards are laying on it. Is it?
This one is from us, and I don't know who that is.
Oh, this went with the bear that he, the lion that he was throwing.
This is
This is
so
that card.
oh.
That is a sis.
I mean, boy, they didn't used to make stuff down there.
Who's got your piggy? Is that Grandad? That's your piggy?
Well, this card is from your mommy and daddy, and there's $10 in it to start your Disney fund.
What's a Disney
Special
fund?
account just for Disney.
To take 'em to
Yeah,
Disney
in
one day.
4 years or so. Take them to Disney, there's money in there to go. Because we want to stay at the Wilderness Lodge. Yes, we do.
Yes. And great grandma's cash can go for that too.
Take the train.
If you wanted to, we could do that.
Great grandma sent him some.
Yeah, I was gonna put that in his bank account, but, you know,
Put that in his Disney fund.
good.
Put it in a stock portfolio.
This is from mommy and daddy. Na, na, na.
Oh, wow.
Actually, now is the time to think about
His coyotes too.
It's Elmo. You love Elmo.
You, don't you?
Busy, busy. Get out of there.
He's giggling. Elmo. Maybe daddy can take him out of the box. It's always a lot of work to get those things
I
out.
know, 'cause they're like
twisty ties.
riveted in there, you know?
Yeah. Okay, let's see. This is also from Aunt Lori.
I can tell by the wrapping.
Yes, we can.
Susan's hat.
Yeah.
She bought about 10 tons of it once.
Probably from the boys
Yeah.
fundraisers.
That's not true.
Scouts or church or school.
Our place is full of wrapping paper right now. Everybody had to buy it from one of the doctors who's,
Many bunnies, a bedtime ABC. and
He's very-
book. Oh, that's
He really wants to taste out some of this wrapping paper here.
here.
See if it's yummy. I want that.
Having a temper tantrum on your birthday is very, very attractive.
there's 50 on there.
It's got bunnies in there.
Bunny rabbits. Hop, 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 hop.
Bunny rabbits.
Hop, 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 hop. Michelle will read you that book when she comes over. Okay. Next, oh, we didn't light the candle. Oh, well. I have to do that for the cake. Well, that actually doesn't go on the cake.
Little bit.
Okay, well, this is your card from Grandma. Grandma